In this video, I will tell you that how you can add the row in Microsoft Excel, the quick method. So here we go. First we'll open Microsoft Excel. Here I have given some data, for example, and I want to add the row below 8. So what I can do, I select the ninth row and then I select left key, right key, and then I select insert the row inserted. Now same again, I want to add the row below 7, so we select 8 and then same insert, and then same I want to add the row below 4, then we select 5 and below 4 I want to add 3 more rows. So I select these 3 and then insert, and you have seen 5, 6, 7, 3 rows added. Have you seen how you can select the rows in Microsoft Excel? No, the other things will be in the next video. Thanks for watching.
Kindly subscribe the channel for more videos like this. Thank you.